Hi guys, it's me, Allie, and today we're going to be doing a video of Animal Hospital. So let's get started. Okay. Let's see. Let's walk. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Let me see. I'm at 59. I need to go get some coffee. Okay. Let me drink it. Yeah, good. Now let's go back. Okay, so they look normal. Let's see. Yeah, they look pretty normal to me, so I'm gonna just go give them. What in the world is happening? Jojo Wannabe. I think that's her name. Let's go. First, I need to oh, okay, let's go back in. Let's wait for the next customer. We're just waiting. Oh. Hello. Okay. Let's see. Let's take a photo. Normal. Let's go to the... Let's just wait. Yep. Okay. Let's go. Room 2 and room 1. Okay, almost done. Let's just wait here. I'm a paramedic, I think. Yeah, I'm paramedic. Okay. Jojo Wannabe. Herbs. Okay. Let's give him herbs. Yep. Let's go back to the room. Let's go to room 2. Just waiting. Okay, process results. Let's see what... Is it he or she? I forgot. Let's see what... Oh, dried eyes. So eye drops. Yep. Okay. Let's give him eye drops. Okay, we're good. The doctor's arriving. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I did. Dr. Harlow, I think. If things get strange, just keep working. Okay. Fix up. Security cameras. What was that? Okay. Good. think there's gonna be an anomaly next round. 2 anomalies. Let's see. Okay, excellent. No death. Okay, no anomalies. Oh, it's normal this time. It might be an anomaly. What? Let me check. Oh. What? Oh my god, it's always an anomaly. It's not an anomaly this round. What the? Let me check one more time. Okay, I guess it's normal. Okay, let's give it to him. Room 3. Oh. Let's see if they're an anomaly. Okay, it doesn't look like anyone's looking at the camera or something. So it looks normal. That's good. No anomalies so far, I don't think. Let's take a photo. That's good. There's usually 2 anomalies. The one that like bangs its head. Right there. Okay guys. Oh my god, there's 3. Okay, there's 1 more. I'll be right back. Okay, so you keep ringing the bell. Okay? I'm so sorry, but like, I just love this game. I kind of want to help the anomalies, but like I don't at the same time. Okay, he's normal. So many normal customers. Okay, normal. Make sure nobody's. Okay, let's go. Yep, you're normal. Okay, let's go. Let's help him. Let's print the badge. It's a he or she, I don't know. Okay. Okay, let's give it to him. I hope nothing's happening. Let's go. Room 2. Oh my god, that scared me. Somebody in room. I'm pretty sure this is 4. Just do this real quick. Analyze sample. Okay, now I'm gonna go to room. Oh wait, no. That room is 3. This room is 4. I just mixed them up. Okay, let me do the sample. Let me go to room 2 and help the customer. Okay. action needed. You need a flu, so thermometer or whatever. Oh, cough syrup. Okay. Let's get some cough syrup. Oh my god, what was that black thing? It was probably the skinwalker. I don't think it spawns on day 2. Action needed. See what they need. A flu, so probably it's the same thing. Right? Oh, yep. There you go. Last room is room 4. And then it's gonna be shift 3, I think. Please don't tell me it's another flip. Okay, that's good. Ivy drops. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we have ivy drops. Ivy drops. Oh, I need coffee. Like, kind of bad. I'm at 59. I'd say it's okay, but like, I hope the doctor's yep, doctor's probably yep, the doctor's arriving. Let's go. Let's see, did I serve any anomalies or something? Not serve. It's like the exact same thing as Scare Shawarma, and I love Scare Shawarma too. Okay, let's see. A shop. It's gonna be opened. We have new supplies. Okay. Oh, coffee. Okay, that's good. No anomalies. Barney? Oh, that's good. I did not drink one last coffee because Barney just came, and that's good. So I'm gonna give him coffee because I know what happens when. So, guys, I'm just gonna tell you what happens. I play this game and I love what happens. So like, you have to like not tell the police because like in the game because Barney is like whatever, and then he gives us a coffee machine if you don't give him to the police. Like he gives you like another coffee machine. So I'm gonna have 2 coffee machines if he gives me this. So that's why you have to give him coffee and like stuff. Okay, so it looks, oh, it's not normal at all. Oh my god, it's an anomaly. Its head just twitched. There might be something in the camera. Okay, it's normal in the camera. Like the twitching head is not good. Not good at all. Oh, that is not normal at all. Okay. It already left. 2 anomalies in a row. And who are you? Oh, Yuki Hopper, I think. Yuki, I don't know. Well, like, okay, let's see. They want to give me, see if they're normal. Yeah. Let's see. You're not supposed to press inspect yet. You're supposed to wait. Because if you press inspect before it shows up, you're going to lose some sanity and then you might die. So that's what I did. Okay. Normal. Let me check the cameras in case. I don't see anything. Yeah, it's normal. She's normal. Let's do the register. Let's print the badge. Okay. Let's help her. And I'm pretty sure she's going to room 5 or something. 4. Okay. Oh, you guys, I didn't tell you about this yet, but in room 5, there's something. Like, there's a little rat called Rathu, and it's missing, like, its twin sister or something, look. And it gives you, like, something. Look at this. And then you just need a key. Look, it says, you need a key to open this. Do not look up. Did you see there's eyeballs in that room? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys saw that. Oh. I don't really know what to do. I know what to do, but like, I don't wanna give it coffee. I'm sorry. Oh, coffee. Sorry, Anomaly, I just have to drink it for myself. I am not giving you coffee. I don't care if you want coffee. I need the coffee for me. You can just bang on my window, it's okay. Look at me. I just had to. Let me help you real quick. See if you're normal. Okay, can you please stop banging at my window? Oh my god, I forgot about the eyeballs on my roof. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to have eye drops to do it. Yeah. Oh. The anomaly just broke my window. Probably left. Yep. Get out of here now. Thank you. Okay. I have no idea what to do with the eyeballs. I think you're supposed to do, eye drops. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I might just use the fire extinguisher. It might, like, make the eyes blurry, maybe? I'm just gonna do it anyway. Oh my god, the eyes are gone. Oh. The eyes are gone. What else is in here? Let's just do it. I hope nobody sees us. Let's go. Go. Yes. Yay, go. Okay. I need to actually do my work. I'm just spraying stuff. I need to, like, help the customer. Okay, I need to put this back. That was pretty fun. Okay, I just saw something. Okay. I don't know, I'm kind of scared, but like, I want to do this. Oh. Analyze. Let's go help the customer in here. Guys, I don't know if you can do this, but if a customer's on fire, I'm just gonna put it in the trash can. Like, I feel like that's a good idea. Don't you guys feel like that's a good idea? Okay, so I am gonna put it in the trash can. I thought she was normal. But the picture, see, that's why I said do not press on the picture or you're gonna like lose sanity. Because the picture, like, she looks normal in the cameras and stuff, but in the picture she like has that face. It's not good. Sorry. I just need to... So far I'm doing really good. I just need Barney to come before I can like... No, I drank the coffee. Little Brown, whatever his name is. Okay, let's do him. Let me just do this. And okay, looks pretty normal to me. Cameras. I don't see anything. I don't like doing this at nighttime. Like, I don't like at the hospital. Okay, guys. I don't know what shift we're on. What shift are we on? Yeah. I don't know. I think we're on shift like 2 or 3. Whatever. Let's see. Bruises and fevers. So, yep. Thermo, whatever, and medkit. They're both next to each other, so that's good. So I can just grab them both. Okay. Let me just do this. Let me grab some eye drops. Wait, what I use? I use a thermo already. I just need to grab the medkit. 2 medkits. Okay. Yep. Good so far. We did the customers. The doctor should be arriving. Never mind. Because we have... Please don't tell me we have 2 more. No, go inside. Go, go, go. Yes, okay. Where? Nope. Okay. Please close the door. Oh, wait, there's a trash can right here. Let me put the thingies in. I'm not holding anything. Okay. So I just threw the thing in the trash can. Now I have to, like, help. But I didn't even notice I have, run fast, whatever thingies. They're like sodas. Because I have the whatever class. I don't know. I'm gonna save my coffee because, like, I don't need it right now. I'm gonna probably save until Barney comes or something. It's like... yeah, I'm just gonna save it when Barney comes. Okay, yep, let's just go. Everything looks good. Just, there's somebody waiting to be, like, checked. This blue person. Pretty sure it's a bunny. Yeah, it's not a dog, it's a bunny. Lynn Brown. Oh, they both have the same name. Like, oh, well, I think that's the same guy. Whatever. Is he normal? Not again. It's Rathu. Wait. Hold on. This was the one I said that had the key. Rathu. But it might be an anomaly because the name is like question mark, question mark, question mark. I don't know if it's an anomaly or not. Let me see picture. I don't think it shows anything. It just, yeah, it looks like that. But like on YouTube, it says like, I don't know. It looks normal, but it doesn't at the same time. Well, it looks completely good, but like the name, I just don't know this. I don't know. Okay, I made my decision. I'm just gonna close it on Rathu. sorry because like I'm just gonna no service. Sorry, Raphael. Oh wait, no, because then I won't get the key. Why did I do that? Oh no. Hello? I hope nobody's waiting there. Let's see, normal. Looks normal. It's normal. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Here you go. Where's the patch? Oh, there it is. Room 4. Okay. Please tell me it's Ron or Rom, whatever. Oh my god, it is. I know your name is Ron, but like, you're the one that. Okay. I know you're normal, but like. Okay, I'm just gonna help you. Normal. Let's help him. Still have one more patient to go. No, not room 6. That room is so hard. Okay. Let's just help you. I'm pretty sure you're an anomaly. Normal. Doesn't show anything suspicious. No, it doesn't look like anything. Nothing suspicious. Okay. Oh, like, that's sad my window broke. So sad. Okay, I think you're normal. Yep, I'm just gonna do you as normal. I don't see anything wrong. Yep, you're normal. I think. Yep. Normal. Guys, you know, I don't have like, I don't know. I'm gonna do these customers. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do these customers while I'm gone. Okay, guys, so, like, the customers are, like, done. So, I'll see you guys in the next video I make, because I'm gonna be ending the video. Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye.